In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an object transparent in Blender's 3D viewport. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring that you understand each part before moving on to the next. So let's get started. First, you need to select the object you want to make transparent. This is a simple process. Just click on the desired object within your 3D viewport. Once the object is selected, we'll move on to the next part, which is interacting with the material properties. To access the material properties, you need to look over to the Properties panel and click on the tab that resembles a red checkerboard icon. This tab holds all of the material settings for the objects in your scene. If your object doesn't yet have a material assigned, no worries. Simply click the New button right there, and a default material will be added for you. This step is crucial because without a material, your transparency adjustments won't have any effect. Now let's find the Viewport display settings. Scroll down within the Material Properties tab, past the Surface section, and you will encounter Viewport Display. This is an area you'll be working with to adjust transparency in a way that's reflected in your working view. Here comes the core step, adjusting the alpha value, which will dictate the transparency level of your chosen object. Expand the color option near Viewport Display. You'll see a familiar color picker pop up, and at the bottom of this menu is an alpha slider. This slider ranges from 0 to 1. You'll want to drag it to a value below 1000 to introduce transparency to your object. The lower you set the slider, the more transparent your object will become with a value of 0, making it completely invisible. For the final step, you need to ensure your viewport shading mode. Yahoo allows you to actually see these transparency changes. Check the top right of your 3D viewport and make sure it is not set to solid mode. Solid mode generally doesn't display transparency, which can be a bit confusing if you're not aware of this detail. Instead, switch the viewport shading to Material, Look Dev, or Rendered mode. These modes show the effects of transparency applied to the materials, giving you a real-time preview as you work. And there you have it. You've successfully made an object transparent in Blender. This technique is particularly useful for creating layered effects, emphasizing different parts of a model, or even when you're piecing a scene together and need to see what's behind certain elements. Play around with these settings to discover the depth and flexibility they can bring to your designs. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling.